Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Stremio on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, get your TVs loaded and follow through with me step by step, and this will be a success. So, I'm going to go to quick settings, navigate over to all settings, then scroll down to apps. Under apps, I'm trying to access Google Play Store. I could do that from here, but you may not see Google Play Store right here. So this is what you do. Go down to See All Apps, click on it, and navigate to the bottom. You find Show System Apps. You want to click on that and navigate even lower until you get to the G section. So you go to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I just passed it. So it's alphabetical order. You need to go to the G's and find the apps with G. So Google Play Services, Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store and click on Open to launch the application. So this is how you launch the Google Play Store on the Google TV. Now you move over to the Play Store, go to the top bar. I'm going to be searching for the application of choice. You could speak or you could use your keyboard. Now I'm going to use the speak function just to flex on it. I did a video showing you how to use the remote using Google Voice Assistant, where you could dictate text straight into your device. So I'm going to make use of that feature right here. And if you have not seen that video, check it on the channel, and it will previously reduce the time you spend typing. Typing is so difficult. Stremio. So I'm going to use the voice tool, Stremio. It seems Stremio is not in English. It's a word from another language, so I do not have the pronunciation right. But I bet you if I say something like Netflix, this feature works perfectly well, captures it very quickly. It's just that Stremio is from another language or so it's not an English word basically. When you're searching things that are not English words or dictating with the Google Voice Assistant which are not in English, yeah, it's going to struggle. So you see me typing Stremio, STR. There is it suggested on the top bar on the keyboard. So clicking on that and click on the search button brings you to the application. One click gets you to the install button, and now you see it installing. So it's pending now, but after a few seconds, this is going to begin to install, or rather download. So the download process will take some time. Depending on internet connection, it may take a couple of minutes. So just sit tight, relax, and wait for it to download. As you can see now, my download is at 2% and climbing. So just be patient and wait for it to complete. Now when the download process is complete, we're going to move on to installing the application. This Stremio app will work seamlessly and will install automatically. Just sit back and wait after download is complete. When it's 100%, give it some time and it's going to begin to install. The installation process will be quick. It's going to be automatic. You have to do nothing for this particular application. So when it installs, just go back to your home library, go to apps and access it from there. Alternatively, you could access it with the open button that will be on the screen. Just next to the uninstall button will also be on the screen. After a few moments, you're going to see that pop up. So right there, you see 100%, the download is complete, and now the installation process is beginning automatically, as you can see. Everything is verified by Play Protect, so you're in very good hands. The application is safe and it's proper to use. Just give it some time and it's going to install. Then we'll have the open button, which you could use to open the application and explore the Stremio app for entertainment and all the good stuff. So right there is complete. You can just click the open button on screen and that will launch the application immediately. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found value in it, it was insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, join the channel, and let's build this channel together. Let's keep on being motivated to give you everyday videos that solve everyday problems and make your life a lot more easier. DaveTech signing out.